Okay, let's cut some holes.
Go back down again. Just go back down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Okay, up you come.
Okay, so just so you know, this is no way an instructional video, it's literally just documentation of us doing our van. So basically that's where the first front vent's going to go, and then the further one's going to go down the back there, but we thought we'd do the smaller one first because we've got a 350mm size here and a 450mm at the back. Just drawing in. Rough square. This is not right. I don't know how to get it square.
Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm on the big stage. I got my...
Okay, I've come back down into the van now. I was kind of struggling to try and get the centre bit up in the roof, and really for the first cut I just want to make sure it's just so right. So basically what I've done is I've come down here and I've literally drawn out a template in a bit of cardboard, and at least we know it's totally square. I tried to kind of measure with the frame, but I drew around, I thought, oh, that's going to work, and then I realised that's kind of the internal measurement, and there's about 2.5mm either side, if that, to make up the 350. So yeah, a little tip there maybe for anyone else thinking of doing it. It might not be the right way, but make a template. So I think that's what we're going to do. So no holes cut, no damages yet, just a little bit of red and blue Sharpie up on the roof, but that will wipe off. So right, no going back now.
That went through.
Yeah.
You nearly followed it.
Yeah. Right. So basically I'm going to put that in there. And basically, that's going to be quite difficult to draw around now. Because it's not flat. Right, if you twist it. I've got it now. I'll take it. That's fine. So, cool. So that's all cut and all filed. So basically I just now need to put some paint on that. But I think first I'm going to stick up the frame, which literally is this one here. And that will kind of go up there. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so I've got some Sikaflex EBT that hopefully will do the job. Trying to get it about level. That's it. That's it. So at the end there, that's it. And now take the chisel and pop it like that, and then you'll just be able to just cut that bit. That's it, and that should come out. This frame is a 400mm frame, whereas the one at the front is 350. The 400 fits better here because you have to bridge this centre ridge here. It needs to go that, but as you can see, it's all, so it needs to come up. So we're going to use the butyl tape or mastic sealing tape to bring that level up. Hefty little bead of the old 522 Sikaflex. Timer it. Ready then? It can be wiggled. This is air blowing in.
50%.
50%. Whoa. That's seriously blowing some air.
Air out.
So air out, so that... And then it obviously stops it. And then the fan starts the other way. And Maria will just demonstrate to you. I'll take you up the top and show you what it's like up there now. That's in the closed position. Open position. So really pleased with that. Good weekend's work. A little bit nervous cutting the holes in the roof. That was the most nerve-wracking thing. I think also as well measuring it and making sure it was in the right location. But once we did that and we kind of got our confidence, we just sped ahead and it went really, really well. So that's it for this weekend. So our next mission on the van will be windows, so more hole cutting. Anyway, see you soon. Bye.